Okay, Peppa, you can open your eyes in a moment to see where I've brought you for Daddy's door today. Open them up.
The swimming pool! I love the swimming pool, Daddy.
I know you do, darling. That's why I brought you here. Normally we come with your brother. Now we can have one-on-one time. Why don't you go in there and get changed into your swimming costume?
Already onto it, big man.
See you soon.
Okay.
Oh, I love spending time with my girl.
Daddy, I'm ready.
Daddy! Oh, that was quick, Peppa. Very efficient. Good job. Let's head in. After you, my beautiful one.
Thanks, Daddy.
Here we are at the pool.
Wow, it's looking gorgeous today. Nice and sunny.
It sure is, but that water looks a little bit cold.
Oh, Daddy, you'll be fine.
Okay, let's go and find a spot. Perhaps over there in the corner.
Roger that. Follow me. There's no one in the pool yet, Daddy.
I know, we'll be the first ones in.
Ooh, it looks extra blue today. Can I get in right away?
I love that gumption, my girl. You can take your towel off and then you'll be ready to pop in. But you might want to wait for this. Got you this floaty.
Ooh, thank you. I love flamingos.
Okay, let me help you up. Ali Oopa.
Oop. Yeah. Look, I'm floating, Daddy.
Floating's actually the most important part of swimming. It's the first thing you should really master when you're learning how to swim.
But Daddy, floating isn't actually swimming.
You're right, but it uses the least amount of energy when you're in the water, so it's best for safety. Okay, I'm going to hop into... Ooh, that's crisp. Oh, very cold. How did you just jump in like that, Peppa?
Daddy, you're being silly. Watch me doing some real swimming now, Daddy. I'm going to swim through. Yeah, and back again. Look, back again the other way. All the way down. See? And then, Daddy, look, now I'm floating to use less energy.
Oh, you're better at floating than I am.
Daddy, let's play a game now. Let's play mermaids. Excuse me, King Daddy Mermaid.
Yes, beautiful Princess Mermaid.
Sky! What do you mean, Sky, Daddy? Oh, Sky! Good morning. Peppa, you're doing so well with your swimming. You've improved a lot. Safety is first, and it looks like Daddy Pig is teaching you all of it. Thank you, Sky. Thanks for being an excellent lifeguard.
Yes, thank you, Sky. We're very grateful.
You're welcome. Have fun. Look, Daddy, look. I'm treading water.
Oh, that is fun. I like to do that too.
I'm having a great day with you, Daddy.
And I'm having a great day with you, Peppa.
Love you, Dad.
Love you.
Woo!
Peppa, I liked your turning and tumbling.
Thank you, Daddy. I dedicate that to you.
I dedicate this to you. We are a mess, aren't we, Peppa? I think I'm going to have to get out now.
Oh, Daddy, I don't want to get out. I'm having too much fun.
I know, Peppa, but you don't want to catch a cold.
You're right, Daddy. We are very messy. Oh, I'm trying to shake off the water, but it's not working.
Let's put your towel on to dry you up.
Snug and warm.
You've been a great listener today, Peppa. Why don't you go and sit on the table? Good job. Now I will get us a little something. Hello. Oh, yes, one of those, please. Thank you. Here we go, Peppa.
Wow, that's the biggest ice cream I've ever seen.
Oh, I'm sure we can make quick work of it.
Thanks for a good morning, Daddy.
Love you, kiddo.
Love you more than ice cream.